So in this video I'm going to show you how I made $4,900 with only one affiliate offer. Now this video is going to be really short and to the point. So if you stay until the end of this video, you're going to receive the traffic source that has made that possible. So you will know exactly how you can do it yourself and why this traffic source is one of the best ones to get buyers and sales. So as you can see over here, I had 950 impressions, and then I had 178 uniques and 10 sales. So basically 10 sales is $4,897 US. So what was the traffic source that you can also use if you want to have, let's say, a sustainable way of generating income online? Now let me show you here exactly what is the traffic source and how you can utilize that for yourself. As you can see, the answer is Google Ads, right? Not a big secret, right? So it's Google Ads. So the most important thing about Google Ads is that why you're choosing Google Ads, and the answer is because Google search is good because of the intent behind the searcher, right? Intent-based traffic is like shooting fish in a barrel, right? This is really great traffic source. Now even better than YouTube. Why? Because again, if you are newbie watching these videos and you haven't seen any other of my videos, please, I ask you to go and watch other videos later to see why Google Ads are one of the best traffic sources out there that you can start on, not only as a veteran, as a professional, but also as a beginner, as a newbie, as someone who wants to make consistent sales, and someone who doesn't want to waste money and waste time. So I think you're smart because you're watching this video. And Google Ads is one of the best traffic sources because we said is intent behind the searcher, right? So what does it mean? It means that when the customer goes online, right, to Google search, they're typing into Google like the keywords, right? So let's say they're looking for how can I get rid of my back pain, right? Or how can I solve my cancer or diabetes problems, or what is the best supplement that I can take to lower my blood sugar. You see, those are the intent-based buyers, intent-based searches online, right? So one of the great things about Google Ads is that you can actually show your ad, your text, your headline to the person who is searching in that exact time for the solutions to the problems. You know, this is one of the best things because people out there have pains, they have problems, right? They have worries about their disease, their financial situation, about their health, relationship problems, right? Maybe someone out there is about to break up with their girlfriend, or maybe someone is about to get a divorce, and you can put the ad in front of them in that moment when they are looking for the solution. And if you're smart and if you do it correctly, if you have someone to help you step by step, right, handling this to show you what is the structure, right? Because again, I'm going to say this, all the gurus are saying you have to buy this software, this magic pill is going to make it, and the answer is no, it's not true. It's not about the software, it's not about the tool, right? If the tool and the software would be the answer, then everyone would get rich and get sales using goddamn software, right? And it's again not true. Yes, ad is great, the copy is great, but the tools are not important, right? I can use WordPress, I can use ClickFunnels, I can use Frankenstein funnels, I can use, I don't know, Elon funnels, doesn't matter, right? What matters is that you understand the strategy behind it, right? Once you understand the strategy, how it works, right? How it converts, what kind of email converts, why does it convert, right? When you understand that, then you can win every time you put ad out there. And even though you don't get the sale immediately, you can still get sales later on if you utilize email lists, right? So it's all about front end and back end, right? You have front end, someone enters the store, maybe they buy something small, right? And then you upsell them on something more expensive. So this is how it works, right? This is how it works, and it's really important to understand that. So if you're watching this video and if you want to have serious, sustainable results, right? I'm not talking about $50 here, $80 here, but consistent results, consistent everyday sales, then what you can do is to understand this, that we have many different audience levels, right? Stages of awareness, And again, I'm sharing all this to my students personally, one-on-one, when we work together, all about these things: how to position your landing page, how to position your emails, how to use lead magnets, right? All these things are really important. So all of these stages of awareness are really important to succeed and have results, you know. So what you can do next, so if you're watching this video, and I know you're smart because you are here because you want to get better results, right? You want to get consistent. Maybe you want to work from home. Maybe you want to have some kind of freedom project on the side. Maybe you want to have consistent sales. Maybe you want to wealth from this. I don't know what you're looking for, right? But I'm sure you're looking for something consistent, something sustainable, and something that is simple, right? Because simplicity is the key here, right? I hate complicated stuff. So it's all about simplicity, understanding how it works, and then applying it together. So if you're watching this video and if you want to get results, what you can do is click the links below this video, reach out to me personally, one-on-one, right? You can contact me under this video on my WhatsApp number, email, Instagram, Facebook, right? So whatever you want, whatever you choose, just click the links, reach out to me. And my last question to you is, when do you want to really go for it, right? This is my question. When do you want to stop procrastinating, stop looking on the shiny objects out there, get rich quick schemes, MLMs, I don't know, high ticket affiliate programs, doesn't matter. It's all about consistency. It's all about choosing one offer, right? Choosing one person to work with and choosing one strategy, then implementing that every single day. And then you can expect sustainability and passive income, right? Recurring commissions as an affiliate, promoting products using Google Ads, right? So again, thank you for watching this video. Reach out to me after watching this video, and thank you for subscribing to my channel for more helpful tips.